In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually get started with spot trading on Bybit. Now, spot trading simply means buying on the spot. And this is exactly where you get to purchase an asset for immediate delivery. For example, you actually want to make purchase of something currently as at this time, and you're going into the market to actually get that particular asset instantly and get it delivered ASAP. That is what spot basically means. There are other options where we talk about futures. You might have heard about that. And this is where you are actually thinking about what it's going to be the outcome in future plans, trying to enter into the market for the sake of the future. But this time we're looking at how do we get to trade spots, and I'm going to be walking around this with you guys in a very simple and understandable manner so that if you're a beginner in the whole cryptocurrency space, you can easily get on with this like ASAP after watching a particular video and get on with this for yourself. Hi guys, it's itsfranklinemmanuel, and basically what I do on this channel is to break down complex crypto lingua, help you understand those things you basically need to do, and also help you to walk through the process easier, faster, and better. There's a lot of opportunities in the crypto space, especially when it comes to anything like the investment, but then most people actually fall into the rut of losing their money, and this is because they don't actually get the right set of information, and that is exactly what I'm here to clarify with you guys on this particular channel. So while you actually stay right back watching this particular video to the very end, you want to make sure that you're actually into this particular channel by subscribing, join the community and all. Now, all of the links I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this particular video, I'll be leaving them in the description. So make sure to actually follow through in the description to get more insights on what I'm going to be talking about on here. Now, I'm going to basically assume that most of us are already familiar with Bybit. You might have actually created your account, and as well, you already have done your verification. Now, this particular method we're going to be using right here in this video is also going to work for you on other platforms as well. And this is basically because most of these platforms have the same interface or very similar interface. It's almost very little changes or differences. And because of this, you might just actually replicate a pattern you've seen in one particular space into another space, and it still works perfectly fine. So coming over here, I'm going to pick up my phone. I would have loved to use my desktop, but then most of us might actually want to be trading via a mobile phone. So I'm going to be doing everything right on here. So looking on my screen, you can see this is my Bybit account. I'm logged in already, and I can say I actually have a couple of assets inside of here right now. Now, since I'm actually going to be trading spots, the first thing you actually want to be thinking of is, okay, what exactly are you going to be trading? But let us even leave that aside. Imagine that we are going to be trading BTC USDT, and we are coming over here on the app, and we go ahead and click on trade. Now, once you click on trade right here, you already have the option that brings you up to the spot trading page on Bybit. Now, on this particular top section, you can see the divisions here. We have the charts, and this is where you get to see the charts of this particular trade you are taking, and you now see the trade section. Now, on this particular section, coming down, the next thing you're going to be seeing is the currency pair, right? What are you trading with another? And this is where you can actually choose the option that you basically are going to be trading. So you can see that several options: BTC USDT, Sol USDT, XRP USDT, and a couple of them like that. Now, these are not the only options there. You can easily go ahead and do a quick search for the one that you actually want to trade, and it comes up. But then let's say we actually going to be trading BTC USDT right now. So I'm going to click on that. And once I click on that, you can actually come over down to the next, where you can either buy or sell. Now, it depends on whatever you're doing. And you want to click on buy if you want to buy, right? If you want to buy BTC with USDT, or you want to click on sell if you want to sell BTC with USDT. Okay. Now, once let's say we actually want to buy BTC right now, you're coming over to the next section, and you can see the available amount you have right in here is about 2 USDT. Now, this particular amount is what you have in the balance that you can be able to spend. Now, in Bybit, there are actually two wallets, let me call it wallets here, that you basically would be having. One is a funding wallet, and this is where all of the assets you're going to be having will be directed to, right? But then eventually you also have the unified trading wallet, and this is where you are going to be keeping a couple of assets you have in case of trading, basically, right? So that is what I'm going to basically call it. And you can see right here, I have about $2 or 2 USDT right here in my unified trading wallet. But then guys, let's say we actually want to add money inside of here. So I'm going to click on the plus button here, and you can see the option to convert, transfer, or deposit. So for example, I already have some cash in my funding wallet. I can just click on transfer, and once I click on transfer right here, you can see I want to transfer a couple of funds from my funding wallet into my unified trading account. And right here I can choose, okay, let's see, I want to transfer like $1, right? So I'll click on confirm, and once I click on confirm, the conversion is going to take place within a couple of minutes, and I'll have the funds ready for me to use. Now, checking on the available balance, we have 3 USDT, And coming down here, you can see that I have the option to actually choose whether it's going to be a limit purchase or on the market, right? You can see here, limit market, TPSL, conditional, OCU, or the iceberg. Now let's look at limits or markets. And we are actually going to be choosing up on the limit buy, where we are looking at options where we actually want to enter the amounts we are willing to buy this particular BTC, right? And at the right hand side here on this section, you can see what people are willing to buy and also what people are willing to sell. And with all of this, you basically just get more of like an insight on what people are buying and selling BTC currently. This at the mid section here is the current rate, right? And with this, you can now think of, okay, I want to buy BTC at a lower rate or a higher rate. And what basically happens here is that whenever you decide to enter the buy option, you're entering the market, but then it might not trigger instantly until when the particular rate that you've been able to impute is already matching with what somebody is willing to also buy or sell. So let's take, for example, you're actually putting up your buy BTC when it is at $60,000, right? So you're going to see that when you get to enter this particular buy option, it's just going to be there and it will be sitting there until maybe whenever BTC gets to retrace and comes down to $60,000, then it triggers that particular purchase that you're doing and you can instantly buy ASAP at that particular point in time. But most times, you actually just want to come into the market and buy already in the market at the current price in that particular market. And this is where we actually want to choose the market option. And on choosing the market option right here, now you are going to be entering your order value of the amount you're willing to buy. So you're going to be putting the amount in USDT you are willing to buy BTC. So let's say I am willing to buy with 3 USDT. And for 3 USDT right here, I can actually go ahead and click on buy. And once I actually click on buy, I would be able to make purchase for the BTC. So what I'm going to simply do right now is to click on buy. And once I click on buy, you can actually see this prompts, and I would say buy BTC. And you can actually see with that, it says my order has been filled. And I can actually just simply go over to my assets and check on what I've just purchased. So I'm going to come over here to my Unified Trading account. And I'm clicking on this, you can see BTC here. This is 0.00004 BTC, and this is actually what 2.95 USD. Now there's actually a charge of about $0.05, and with this you already see that there's really a charge of about 0.05 USDT, and that is from Bybit. Now this is exactly how this works, very simple and fast, and you just quickly get the insight on how you can actually trade on the spot. And like I said, you are also going to be able to use this particular method on several other platforms because they have a very similar interface. And because they have very similar interface, you can just follow the same pattern and just use it on this other platform, and it will also work for you 100% and fine. Now, if you basically understand what I've actually shared in this particular video, let me know your thoughts around what I've just shared. And if you're still confused or concerned about one or two things, let me know as well in the comment section so that I can actually create more videos around this to help you understand way better. And at the same time, give you more insights on how you can actually scale your income in this very space. Now, that is the goal of this particular channel. And what you want to basically do as well is make sure you join my Telegram community. The link is also going to be down in the description of this particular video. And make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, subscribe to the channel, and smash on the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my videos. With this, guys, I will see you in my next video. Peace.